guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my Dollar Tree fall decor haul. I am so excited for this. I'm not completely done with my fall decor, but this is kind of my first go at Dollar Tree, and I haven't gone to Hobby Lobby or anything else, and I haven't gone back to Dollar Tree and found anything else in the rest of their selection, but I only had one aisle and then a little bit of like the flower section in my Dollar Tree that had fall stuff. So I got as much as I could and as much as I wanted for my house, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I ended up spending $13.75 for change. So I got a couple of things. I got a good amount of things because everything's $1, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to put them together and then what they look like in my house. The first thing that I got is this tall cylinder vase, if you will, just to hold some flowers. And I liked the size of it. I thought it was perfect, so picked that up. Then I got this wreath form, and I'm really excited about this because A, it was $1, and B, I get to design my wreath however I want, which is what I've always wanted. I've always looked at like Hobby Lobby and like Walmart and Target and places like that, and I never found a wreath that really fit our house. Granted, we've only had our house for the spring and the summer, and so I've always looked as if I could buy one, but never found one that was like perfect. So with this wreath form, I get to weave and stick and do whatever I want to make whatever kind of wreath I want for the fall or the winter. So I was really excited about that. Then I also found this. It was the only one in this color that they had, so I was so excited to find it. It's just a metal wreath hanger, but it's like a coppery brown. Everything else was bright orange for like pumpkins and stuff, which I mean is good for fall. But this can hold my spring wreaths, any summer wreaths, our winter wreath, because it's just a brown. Like, it just goes with our door. It just works, I feel like. I was so excited that they had one more brown one. The last thing in this bag is this gold charger. It has some cute little like beads all around it, and it's fairly big. And this is going to serve as like a centerpiece holder or platter. I might spray paint the bottom, but our table that this is gonna sit on is like a dark espresso, so I feel like it won't really matter, but let me show you guys what I'm gonna do with this. So before I get into that, I got this super cute Thankful and Blessed pumpkin sign. I don't know if I'm just gonna like tape this string back here and prop it up against something like next to a candle in our kitchen, or if I'm gonna try to find a place to hang it because it is hangable. But it's really not bad. It's like not flimsy or anything, and it does have some light sparkles on the words, but it's not overkill, and I just thought it was so cute. I saw a couple other signs that I saw in other hauls as well, and they just didn't fit me or like my house, and I was really excited when I saw this because I didn't see any other hauls where people picked this up. So I'm really excited for it. This next item is kind of a find. I feel like my Dollar Tree did not have any white pumpkins that weren't glass. Not the little ones on clips, nothing. I had to like search high and low for these. So I found 3 of them. And one of them was where it should be. One of them was like tucked behind something else. And another one was like in the freaking like socks section or something like that. Like, I don't know where they went, how they got there, but I got 3 white pumpkins. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can find more. They're like the plasticky styrofoam kind of. They're so cute, and I'm going to place them around the gold charger that I got, but I need something else to kind of fill it in, like around it. So these might go next to the Thankful and Blessed sign on our counter. Not quite sure yet because I didn't get as many as I wanted. All right, then I got these 2 leaf stems. They just have leaves throughout them, just cute fall colored leaves. And you can bend and stretch and like mold the way that you want these little stems to go. I just thought it was really great that they weren't too flimsy, because I can make them fit whatever, and they're gonna go into the vase. And to go with them, I got this one, which is just the leaves and some berries, but it has a maroon pumpkin. And then this one is the same, has the berries, but it has an orange pumpkin. So I'm going to like put these on opposite sides and then put the 2 leaves this way in the vase. And then the last thing that I got is this super cute burlap ribbon, but it has white chevron print. So my house by no means is like a perfect farmhouse. It doesn't have any white cabinets or anything like that, but that's definitely the look that I'm trying to go for. I thought the white chevron on this burlap ribbon would help it a ton to kind of bring it back to that white theme and not be too orange or red, because I do have like maple colored cabinet. Let me show you what I'm thinking. I'm gonna put them in this vase, and then right here, if you can see it, where all of the little stems are, I'm gonna take this thick burlap and wrap it around once, maybe make a bow with hot glue or something, make a cute little bow. It's gonna sit on the charger with the pumpkins and a couple other things around it, and it's gonna be my dining table centerpiece, which I thought was so cute. Right now I have kind of a greenish gray pot, and it has some fake lavender plants in it. I think my sister got it when she moved into her first house, and she gave it to me a couple months ago. I really liked it for spring, but it's definitely fall. Well, it's been rainy the last couple days, but it's definitely still August. But it's fall in my heart, so I want to decorate my house accordingly since it's my first fall in my own home. I'm so excited. So this is my centerpiece idea. Everything else is kind of gonna go sporadic throughout the house until I get some more items, but I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped with any decor or Dollar Tree DIYs that you're hoping to do. If there's anything I missed at my Dollar Tree that I need to go back and try to grab, please leave it down below. I am gonna try to get like these galvanized metal signs. I think they say welcome, thankful, and harvest. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers get them and do a DIY with them, and that's exactly what I wanna do. I'm gonna make a couple cute signs. So I'm gonna try to find those, but if there's anything else that I missed, please tell me down below so I can go and get it, make my house so cute. And if this gave you guys any ideas, please tell me so I can have them too, because this is about as creative as I get. We'll see, but I think that's all I have right now. Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Anything helps. It supports our family, it supports my dreams, and we just love when you guys like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends. With that being said, I love you all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.